Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best beard trimmers you can get right now on Amazon.
Whether you're keeping a short stubble or shaping a full beard, these picks offer solid performance and value. Let's get into the list and see which one fits your grooming routine.
We have included links in the description. Number 1.
Brio Beardscape V2 Beard Trimmer for Men, professional with low friction ceramic blade, cordless professional hair trimmer for barbers with 4 hours of long battery timing, ideal for beard and body, black. The Brio Beardscape V2 is built for precision and power. It uses a low friction ceramic blade that stays cooler and sharper than traditional stainless steel, making it a solid choice for anyone who trims regularly. The adjustable blade height goes from 1 to 1.9 mm, giving tight control over how close you cut. It comes with 8 guard attachments, which makes it easy to switch from detailed edging to longer trimming for beard or hair.
Battery life is one of its best features.
A full charge delivers around 4 hours of runtime, which means you can use it for weeks before recharging. And when it's time to top up, the display shows exactly how much battery you have left. This helps you avoid running out mid-trim. It's designed with a quiet motor that still feels powerful enough to handle dense beards.
The ceramic blade also resists corrosion, which makes maintenance simpler. And since the blade doesn't heat up like steel, it's gentler on sensitive skin.
The Brio Beardscape V2 has a digital display that shows blade height, battery level, and even lets you adjust motor speed. The speed can go up to about 7,000 RPM, giving enough torque to get through coarse, thick beards. When trimming around the jawline or cheeks, this extra torque makes a difference, especially if you skip a few days. Its build quality feels solid in hand. The matte black finish and balanced weight add to the premium look. Because it's cordless, it's easier to move around your face and neckline without worrying about pulling on a cord.
Cleaning the Beardscape V2 is straightforward.
The blade pops off easily so you can brush out hair and rinse it under water. A small cleaning brush is included to help get fine hair out.
Number 2.
Philips Nurelco Multigroom Series 90 to 21-piece men's grooming kit for beard, body, face, nose, ear hair trimmer with premium storage case, MG9510/60.
The Philips Nurelco Multigroom Series 9000 is an all-in-one grooming kit with 21 pieces designed for full head-to-toe grooming.
It comes with different attachments, including metal trimmer heads, body shaver, nose and ear trimmer, and guards ranging from skin close trimming up to longer lengths for hair or beard.
The stainless steel blades are self-sharpening, so they stay sharp without oiling. Dual-cut technology adds an extra layer of cutting precision by using 2 layers of blades to catch more hair in a single pass.
This helps reduce irritation because you don't have to keep going over the same spot.
One standout is the battery. It provides up to 6 hours of use on a single charge. That's enough for multiple grooming sessions before needing to recharge.
It also has a quick charge feature to get enough power for one trim in just 5 minutes.
Build quality feels premium. The metal handle has a non-slip rubber detail so it doesn't slip in wet hands. It's also fully washable, so you can rinse it under running water after every use.
This makes cleaning much faster, especially when switching between beard, hair, and body trimming.
Switching attachments is quick.
The nose and ear trimmer clicks into place, and the separate body shaver has rounded tips to protect sensitive areas. The guards include multiple sizes so you can keep stubble, shape a short beard, or go for a longer, fuller look. For travel, the included premium storage case keeps all 21 pieces organized. The compact size helps keep your sink or bathroom shelf tidy, and it's small enough to pack in a suitcase.
The Multigroom 9000 is powerful enough for thick beards and can handle fades or detail work around sideburns.
Using it on body hair feels comfortable, thanks to the rounded guard edges.
Number 3. Panasonic Haarschneidmaschine GP84 Gold. The Panasonic GP84 is a professional-grade hair clipper and beard trimmer, finished in an elegant gold design.
It's designed for precision cutting with a DLC, diamond-like carbon, coated X-taper blade, which helps catch and cut more hair with each pass.
The motor delivers consistent power and speed, even on thicker beards or dense hair. This makes trimming faster and more efficient because it avoids snagging.
The blade can adjust between 0.8 and 2 mm without using guards, so you can fine-tune the trim length. It comes with 3 double-sided comb attachments to cover a range of cutting lengths from 3 up to 15 millimeters. This gives enough flexibility for different beard styles and short hairstyles. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight design. At around 245 grams, it's comfortable to use for longer grooming sessions without fatigue. The curved handle fits naturally in the hand, and the gold finish gives it a stylish look that stands out. The battery provides about 50 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is typically enough for multiple trims. The sharpness of the DLC-coated blade helps reduce irritation, especially around the neckline or under the chin. Because it's designed for barbers, the ERGP84 focuses on precision and build quality rather than extra attachments. But it still works well as a beard trimmer, hair clipper, and for edging sideburns or neckline. Number 4. Bronze Series XT5 All-in-One Men's Beard Trimmer and Electric Razor. The Bronze Series XT5 combines the features of a beard trimmer with an electric razor in one device. It has a slim, lightweight build that makes it easy to handle, and the blade design helps trim, edge, and shave with fewer passes. The 4D blade system has 2 central trimming zones and 2 outer foils to catch and cut hairs of different lengths. This helps get an even result on beards and stubble. It's comfortable to use directly against the skin or with one of the included comb attachments. There are 6 combs, 3 for face and 3 for body, giving you length options for beard, chest, or other body hair. Switching between them is quick, and the combs have rounded tips to help prevent irritation. It's fully waterproof, so it can be used in the shower or with shaving foam or gel. This makes it convenient for quick morning trims or for shaving sensitive areas with less friction. The battery lasts about 45 minutes on a full charge. That's typically enough for several grooming sessions. It also supports a quick charge, giving enough power for one trim in just minutes. Build quality feels solid despite being lightweight. The rubberized grip helps keep it steady, even with wet hands. Because the blade cuts in both directions, it's faster when edging the neckline or trimming under the jaw. The XT5 blade is designed to last up to 6 months before replacement. Changing blades is simple, they snap on and off without tools. Number 5. Wall Aqua Blade Rechargeable Wet/Dry Lithium-Ion Deluxe Beard Trimmer for Men. Interchangeable heads for detailing, hair, mustache and body grooming. Model 9899-100. The Wall Aqua Blade is built for versatility with 4 interchangeable heads, a T-blade for beard and hair trimming, a precision detailer, a rotary nose and ear trimmer, and a detail shaver. This makes it suitable for beard shaping, edging sideburns, or removing body hair. It's fully waterproof, so it can be used wet or dry, even in the shower. This helps save time and makes cleanup easier. The blades are stainless steel and stay sharp over repeated use, giving a clean cut without pulling hair. Battery life is strong, about 3 hours of runtime on a full charge. It also has a quick charge feature to get enough power for one trim if the battery is low. The included guards cover lengths from stubble up to longer beard styles, and they click into place securely. The precision head helps with tight lines around the mustache, goatee, or neckline. Build quality feels solid, with a slightly heavier design that gives good control when trimming. The textured handle keeps it steady in wet conditions. Switching heads takes only seconds, making it easy to move from trimming a beard to detailing around the ears or nose. The T-blade cuts close, which works well for edging cheek lines or shaping sharp beard angles. Using it on body hair feels comfortable because the rounded tips help prevent skin irritation. Cleaning is simple thanks to the waterproof build.